Hello everyone. Today is another great day to continue learning English. Today we're going to review some of the information we cover in this unit. Filling out a form and we're going to do it through the game. The game is called 4 in a row. Okay, 4 in a row. So our purpose is to connect four either vertically or horizontally. Okay. So, or you can do it also diagonal. Vertically, horizontally, or diagonal. Okay? So, let's begin our review game today. So, let's pick up, remember, ordinal numbers. First row, second row, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Let's go with the first row, okay? So, what is this? Is this an inch? Is this a gender? Or is this cancer? I believe this is an inch. Inches. Inches is the measurement that we use here in the United States. Inch. Okay, so let's go let's go back here. Seventh. We start with the seventh one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. What does this woman have? What does she have? It's a little kitty. She has an allergy. Does she have heartburn? Or does she have diabetes? I think that she has an allergy. Correct. She has an allergy. Okay, let's go to the next one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh. Let's go to second. Who is this? Who is this lady? She has a telephone on her hand. She has a telephone. She is speaking on the phone. Is she a patient? Is she a doctor? Or is she a receptionist? I believe she is a receptionist. Yes, she is. Very good. Do you guys want to go to the first? Let's try to interrupt. First, second, third, let's interrupt the progress. We're going to go here. What are they measuring? What are they measuring? The doctor is measuring this little patient right here. Sometimes when you go to, if you're a child, every time you go to the clinic to see the doctor, some of the things that they will do is they will measure your age. No. Height or weight? Height. The answer is height. Weight is referred to pounds, and height is in inches, on feet, in height. Okay, so let's go here. What is this? 2, 30, 14. Is this weight? Is this a gender? Or is this a date? I believe this is a date. Correct. February 30th of 2014. Let's go to first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh. Let's go to sixth. What are these? What are these? Disease? Are they disease? Are they medicines? Or are they heartburn? Medicine. The correct answer is medicine. Okay, let's go to first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh. Let's, for the heck of it, let's go to this one, okay? What is this? Disease, allergies, or exercise? They are doing exercise, correct? Yes, they are. They are exercising. Okay, so let's go to first, second, third, fourth, fifth. What does this man have? What does this man have? Notice they use the auxiliary verb does, and if this person is a male, is a one person, singular man, so you will use the verb has, the verb to have. You don't say has. You don't say what does the man has, but you say what does this man have? Does he have a headache? Does he have a broken arm? Or does he have heartburn? I believe he has heartburn. He has heartburn. Correct. Go to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh. Let's go to the first one. He is gender, female, or male? Correct. Male. Gender refers to this, female or male. Okay, let's interrupt their progress here, otherwise A wins with 4 connecting 4. A hospital? What is this? A hospital? A signature? Or a medical form? Yes, you're correct. It is a medical form. Okay, so let's go to the second one right here. What is this? A heart, a kidney, or a liver? It is a heart. Okay, so let's go to B. What B can do to win? Second, third. Let's go to the third row. What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, he's doing something that we should not do. It's not good for our health. Exercising? We wish he'll be exercising. Taking medicine? He probably will end up taking medicine if he continues doing this. What is he doing? Smoking. Smoking. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Okay, so we're going to go to first, second, third, fourth. Let's go to the fourth one. What is this? What is this? Oh boy. Is this the height, the age, or the weight? What is it measuring? Yeah, it's measuring weight. This is definitely one of my less favorite things to do. Weight. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh. Let's go to the fifth one. What is this? This is a citizen? A liver? Nah. A signature. Correct. It is a signature. Okay, so we can go to first, second, third, or fourth. Well, let's go here to this one. What is she doing? What is she doing? Visiting a clinic? Taking medicine? Smoking cigarettes? She is taking medicine. Okay, so let's go here. Do you think that will be a good idea? Or here? Let's go here. What is this? John Jackson 309. This is weight? No. Is it a date? No. It is an address. This is an address. Okay, and I believe we can just finish this game by doing the last one. What is he doing? What is he doing? Smoking cigarettes? No, he's not smoking cigarettes, is he? He's taking medicine? I don't think so. He's visiting a clinic. Yes, he's visiting the medical clinic, and this is the receptionist. Okay, is what you usually do before you enter the clinic, well, inside the clinic. Before you go and see the doctor, you have to talk to the receptionist while you're visiting a clinic, and that is the correct answer. Okay, so and this will conclude our game for today, or review. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's activity. We will continue with this unit next week. Please review. Please go over your notes. Go over your vocabulary. Try to use your sentences, your vocabulary words in context, in the real life. Okay. Remember, we learn how to use the verb to have and the verb to do together. When you ask a question, you can say, do you have? Does he have? Does she have? Do they have? Okay. When you're stating something using the verb to have, you use he has, she has, but you don't say he have or she have. No, it's he has. Okay. So just to review a little bit, let's go over some of the important things we learned. Okay. So this is the verb to have. Does Maria have asthma? That will be a question. You can answer that affirmative. Yes, she does. Or you can say no, she doesn't. She does not. Do you and your family have medical insurance? You can say yes, we do. Or you may say no, we don't. Does this clinic have many family doctors? Yes, it does. Remember, the clinic falls under category of it because it's an inanimated object. Clinic does not have a life, or so you use it. Will be their pronoun. So it will be it. It doesn't. Oh, it does. Okay. It does or no, it doesn't. Do you have kidney disease? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do the children have health problems? Yes, they do. Or you can say no, they don't. Do they have many patients in this clinic? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Does Mr. Kennedy have a broken arm? Notice that Mr. Kennedy is one person, so that's why you say does when you use he or she. Does Mr. Kennedy have a broken arm? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. So these are the things that you gotta remember when you're using the verb to do and to have. Okay. I hope you guys learned something today, and I will see you next week.